Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. Is it any good? See what it looks like. Fairly thick, yellow, kind of shiny. Smells not overpoweringly clean. I purchased mine at Walmart for $9.84 for 750 milliliters, 25.4 fluid ounces. I'll be using the shampoo in conjunction with the matching conditioner. I have a separate video about that. Later on, I'll be using the shampoo with the matching hair butter, which is a heavier conditioner. After using it for a while, one thing I didn't really like about the shampoo was the shape of the bottle. The bottle was super heavy, and when I tried to turn it upside down, the product didn't always come out quite easily. Therefore, I ended up storing it upside down in my shower, which does help, but they could just put a better shape of the bottle. It just seems like it's really top heavy and it's very hard to squeeze, so I don't like the shape of the bottle. The shampoo did clean my hair. I had some residue on my scalp from the previous products that I had used. It did leave my hair feeling clean, which was what I was going for. I used the regular conditioner and it gave me really nice results. My hair does better when I curl it. And I didn't have any other product on here for these clips. The Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo is supposed to be a unique, precious blend of argan oil to help penetrate the hair and give it strength, shine, softness, seductive, and silky perfection. It's from OGX. It's supposed to be an exotic, precious blend. Help protect your hair from styling, heat, and UV damage. The instructions are pretty routine. Put shampoo on wet hair, massage, rinse, and then use conditioner. The ingredients are pretty standard. Water is going to be the first ingredient in most shampoos. You can pause the video and check this out if you like. It's not tested on animals. Here's the manufacturer's information. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link where you can also buy this product or similar. So as I said before, using the shampoo and the conditioner did help to get some of the previous buildup of products out of my hair. I really thought that the butter was going to make it super conditioned, but that was not the case. Let me show you. So this is what my hair looks like after using the shampoo and the butter. It's not horrible, but you can see that I've got a lot of flyaways. If you're looking to really deep condition your hair, this is not going to do it. My hair still feels like a little brittle and dry. It's not really swingy. I put a little bit of product on this just to get it to kind of lie down around here. So I'm probably going to switch off and use something different. If you want to clean your hair and get like some buildup off, this is probably a good thing to use, but I really don't like the way this is making my hair feel. So probably won't buy it again. It's pretty expensive for what I'm getting out of it. I've had cheaper shampoos like Pantene that are like half the price that make my hair feel a whole lot better. But then the Pantene builds up on your hair, so maybe switch off from these two. But I don't think my hair looks good using this shampoo a lot.